exclusive then, we learned from reliable sources that Aster DM's founder open to selling stake to either strategic partner or private equity players. Now, for more on this story, we are joined by my colleague Anurag Joshi. Over to you, Anurag.
The Aster DM's founders are open to selling an equity stake to a strategic investor. The founders, led by Azad Moopen, have held discussions, very initial kind of talks with some investors, and this include USP fund KKR and company. Now, Aster DM had recently announced that its subsidiary Affinity, which owns the Gulf assets, the hospital chains in the Middle East, had sold those holdings to Alpha GCC Holdings. This is an entity where the shareholding is 65% or held by funds owned by Fajr Capital Advisors, and the balance 35% by the promoters led by Moopen. Now, the promoters have said that they are open to discussions with like-minded investors, but at the same time they committed to India and they see India as a key market. Now, the transaction also of the Gulf assets, which were sold for $1 billion, there are open to having talks with investors for the India business. For the Gulf transaction, the advisor was Moelis and Credit Suisse, and for the proposed talks with the investors for the India assets, Moelis is advising as a sell-side advisor.
Right, Anurag, thank you so much for joining us with those details. But